Here at Unilock, we're committed to helping contractors build their businesses and to be more profitable. It's my job here at Unilock to help contractors find the best products, the best tools, and the best methods for installing. Over the past several years, I've spoken to lots of contractors who've told me all the same thing. It's just really hard to get labor. The older guys just can't do the work anymore, and the young guys just don't want to. I've been on the hunt for a while now for a piece of equipment that can help alleviate the labor burden for contractors. It's called Unilift.
Unilift is a paver laying assist machine that enables one person to lay pavers at up to 10 square feet per minute. It works on the principle of air pressure combined with vacuum to make heavy pavers feel practically weightless. Once the vacuum-based lifter is attached to the surface of the paver, the operator can move the paver into position with little effort. The control lever on the handle allows for upward and downward movement and makes it easy to put the paver into place. Once the paver is in place, pressing the control lever a little further down reduces the suction and releases the paver. It's that easy.
Anyone can learn to use Unilift. This is Robin. She's from our marketing department at Unilock, and she's agreed to come and try the Unilift out. Robin, have you ever been on a hardscape crew before?
Nope, never. So using the Unilift was super easy, way easier than I thought it was going to be. It was effortless, it was weightless. I was nervous at first because I know that pavers are heavy, but lifting 3 at a time or 4 at a time was way easier than I thought it was going to be.
To demonstrate the time that can be saved with Unilift, we've set up a couple of different comparison tests. On one side, we have a crew of 3 men installing pavers by hand. On the other side, we'll be installing pavers using Unilift.
The hand placing team has to carry the stones over to the laying edge. The main crew member who's laying the stones is either on his knees or frequently bending over to lay the pavers. In contrast, the installer using Unilift is lifting and placing the pavers from a more comfortable standing position. Accurate placement is easy with Unilift. If a small adjustment to the level of a particular stone is needed, simply remove the paver, make adjustments to the bedding course, and then replace the paver. After only a couple hundred square feet laid, our hand install team is starting to show signs of fatigue, but Unilift is still going strong. Using a larger scale paver like Unilock's Umbriano or Series 3000 is a great option for driveways and is both easy to install and fast thanks to Unilift. One person operating the Unilift can place these 130-pound Series 3000 pavers 2 at a time with very little effort. The finished driveway will have fewer joints, which makes for easier joint sand installation and long-term maintenance. After an hour, it's clear to see that the Unilift is outpacing the hand install crew, and the Unilift operator isn't even tired. Combining the power and speed of Unilift with the efficiency of installing large format pavers takes Unilift to a whole new level. These large format pavers would be impossible to lay by hand, but with Unilift, it's fast, easy, and accurate. To demonstrate the combined power of larger format pavers and Unilift, we speed tested our large Umbriano units using Unilift against a typical hand install of Brussels block. After 1 hour, one man with a Unilift had laid 3 times the amount compared to the hand install crew.
As you can see, there are huge labor-saving advantages by using Unilift.
Unilift is a versatile machine with a lift capacity of over 300 pounds. Custom suction heads can be designed to accommodate a variety of products, sizes, and textures. Notice how there is no loss of suction even on the flagstone surface texture of Richcliffe XL pavers. The positive grip of Unilift allows you to work more quickly, accurately, and safely. On driveways and other projects over 500 square feet, Unilift makes a huge difference in the number of laborers required to do the job and the amount of physical energy required. Now, a contractor can easily complete a typical driveway project within a day or so. If your homeowner prefers a smaller scale product, the Unilift multi-stone attachment can easily pick up several pieces at a time, still making the job easier. The bayonet head mount facilitates a rapid change from one head to another.
For increased productivity, a custom head was designed to pick up 6 8-inch by 16-inch Umbriano stones, along with a side shift feature that automatically creates a half stone offset. Watch how these stones are placed in one smooth motion.
Because Unilift is built on a narrow track chassis, it's completely mobile and can even go through a 36-inch gate opening. The Unilift requires very little maintenance and operates on a reliable Honda engine. A full tank of gas will keep the Unilift running several hours. Whether you're a large hardscape company with lots of equipment or a small 3-man operation, investing in the Unilift can help you install more pavers faster with a smaller crew and less wear and tear on your employees. All this adds up to more projects in a season and more profit for you. For more information about the Unilift and how to get one for your next project, speak to your local Unilock territory manager or call 1-800-UNILOCK.